Hey there, I'm Shad from SmartWatch DAYOUT. Today I'm unboxing DT-78 SmartWatch. So guys, start the video. Welcome back again. This is DT-78 box, so let's unboxing. At first open the box, we can see DT-78 smartwatch. So next open another box, and this is the belt you have to use your smartwatch. And this is USB cable. You can charge your smartwatch with this cable. And this is some paperwork, and this is the guideline how to use your watch and blah blah blah. So let's open DT-78 smartwatch. By the way, DT-78 also waterproof and dustproof. I am also making another video DT-78 waterproof testing, so don't miss this video. Hit the subscribe button and see you next time to another video. Allah Hafiz.